Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Etsy seller account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So you want to go ahead and open it up, and once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page where we can get started. From here, we can get started logging in. So in the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and create an account. If you have an account, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can access all the products we have that we can manage and buy. And now we can get started with accessing our store as well and to become a seller. So what do we have to do? What you want to do guys to become a seller account is very easy. We just need to go right here at the top of the screen and click on Shop Manager. By clicking Shop Manager, this is going to enable us to get started with setting up our shop. So what you want to do is log into your account that you want to set up the shop with. As you can see, once you're logged in, now you can get started with typing out your shop preferences, naming your shop, putting all information that you have regarding the shop. And by doing so guys, and saving in your shop so that you can go ahead and get started with. Once you save your shop and create your shop, it's going to go and turn your account into a seller account, and you can get started with managing your shop from the Shop Manager. You can input products, you can manage orders, and so on. All of that is going to be available, and you're going to become a seller, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.